This is a guided meditation to celebrate Imbolc and to meet with the goddess Bridghid, the three-faced goddess of fire, in her sacred enclosure, and to connect with the transformational energies of this season. Make yourselves comfortable in a seated position, or lying down, or sitting in a chair. Take an eye bag and a blanket if you need it. Settle yourself down and take 3 deep breaths into the body, letting each exhale go with a sigh. Releasing. And as you let go with that exhale, your body relaxes more and more. Close your eyes. See before you an oak door. Ask that any allies or guides you may have accompany you this festival of Imbolc as you explore the sacred precinct of Kildare and encounter Bridghid's flame. As you cross through the doorway, your guide meets you. They may take any form, and they will accompany you throughout, even though they may sometimes go unseen. It is a clear, starry night, and the air is crisp and cold. The path ahead of you is lined with oak trees, their tall, broad forms reaching into the sky, their deep roots holding the earth fast. They are like a wall of guardians, each lending you their support as you pass. It is late winter, and the ground beneath them is covered with white snowdrops, like tiny stars, glimmering in the darkness. You follow the path, feeling cool air and gentle rain upon your face, cleansing and refreshing. Ahead, through the trees, you see the flickering of a large fire, and your heart beats in your chest. You feel the great power of this place tingling upon your skin. In time, the path opens out into a sacred clearing, a temple of the oak. There, 19 priestesses stand in a circle of firelight in the center of the clearing, hiding the fire itself, their faces bright in the flames, and their shadows stretching long and dark behind them. On one side of the clearing is the largest oak tree you have ever seen, a mighty giant. It is decorated with offerings, ribbons of many colors, and chimes of thin bronze rods sway in the branches. The dancing flames make them shine and glint in the darkness. As you approach, your guide leads you first to the tree and then to the circle of firelight. Take your time here and explore, feeling deep respect and wonder at this most sacred space. Eventually, the circle of priestesses opens up, and you are allowed a glimpse of the fire itself. The mighty blaze reaches up to the sky, and at once you are struck by a great sense of awe and sanctity. In the flames, but never burning, with arms raised exultant, is the goddess Bridghid herself. Serpents snake through the flames and up her arms, and the life force of every living thing around is stirred just by being touched by the light she casts. For a moment, she looks into your eyes, and you are blessed. You feel the life force rising up from the ground through your body, and in a quick and bright wave it rises up your spine and through the top of your head. You feel your whole being alight with her power, with the blessing of spring to come. Hold this feeling within you for as long as you can. You may also choose to seek guidance here or ask a question which may be answered by Bridghid or by one of her priestesses. After a time, you are guided to leave, returning the way you came, crossing back through the oak door. Take time to become aware of yourself back in your body, taking 3 deep breaths into the body, then beginning to move your toes and your fingers, feet and hands. Maybe have a stretch. Rub your hands together. Get some heat in the palms of your hands. And then place your palms over your eyes. Releasing the hands. Going to ground ourselves. So you can either place the palms of your hands on the floor, or you can take your pinky finger and your ring finger and cover them by the thumb, and then your index and middle fingers you're going to plug into the earth. So just pressing down into the ground, grounding, and imagine the color red. Take a few breaths here. And then release the hands. And maybe have a little something to eat and drink. Blessed be.